The ability to explain yourself and your services, you have to get really good at it. I'll tell you the easiest way to explain your services and come across as professional. It is to get the knowledge. I'm going to go through some amazing stuff to say, understanding tonality, what to keep front of mind, even addressing when to sign, they don't want to sign, the cost. So stick around for that, of course. But knowledge is power. You can memorize all the fancy rebuttals and scripts, and not to take away from scripts. Scripts can be extremely powerful. But when you know how to do the job, when you actually can help buyers, sellers, and lease clients buy a property, sell a property, approach a lease properly, that radiates from you. You are no longer selling at that point. You are helping, and maybe more importantly, you are listening. I'm going to touch on that as well in this video because I'm hoping you have one or more than one aha moments during this video, and that actually, the listening factor could be one of them. So I do meetings almost daily, EXP discovery meetings almost daily with agents, brokers, or soon to be agents, specifically here in Ontario. And when I have an agent on the other end, or should I say a soon to be agent, they've either gone through the Ontario Real Estate Salesperson program or about to finish, and their main concerns are, how do I do the job? And how do I get clients? And rightfully so, because you just don't learn it in the college content. It is very compliance heavy, and that is okay. Their job is to make you an honest, trustworthy, and safe realtor at the end of it. And again, that is okay. But the fun part about those meetings is I almost laugh to myself because when I'm meeting the person on the other end and they join myself at EXP, or they go through any of my courses, the buy sell course, the lease course, I even have a bigger one, the on agent program that covers everything. How to grow your brand, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. We even have door knocking and cold calling for those that like it. And when I'm meeting with them, the fun part is I do almost laugh to myself because a week from them, after they've gone through even just one of my courses, by the end of it, I'm talking to a completely different person because basically that person now has the knowledge. They have the confidence, and when you have the knowledge and confidence, you can help anyone. Okay, so let's touch on some amazing stuff in the video. I had to mention that those 3 courses are in the description below: the lease course, buy, sell, and full on agent program. More on that later in the video. First, let's look at one of the main bottlenecks, something that can slow a client down from moving forward with you, and that is the buyer representation agreement. After you watch this, the percentage of clients that will walk away from you before signing will drastically drop. First, you have to give them a bit of a description of what is the buyer representation agreement. Essentially, you have to, then you can get into the good stuff. You have to tell them the buyer representation agreement is a formal agreement between the both of us. This allows me to give you my full support, and once established, I have a fiduciary duty to promote and protect your best interests. I will negotiate on your behalf and ensure you get the best deal possible. Then get into the good stuff that will make it stick for them. Also say, I will never ask you for a single dime. I will never hold you back from seeing a property that you want. 99.9% of the time, I am paid by the listing brokerage, by the seller, for doing all of this work and bringing a potential buyer to their property. I will research all properties for us to go see. I will set up all showings. I will find out what the value of these properties are before we even get there. There's no way you're ever going to be overpaying for a single property under my watch. I will negotiate on your behalf, like mentioned. When you have me, you have serious added value to your buying experience. At this point, if they believe you, they will be completely floored, and rightfully so. How do I have the ability to offer what I just did to them? 1, it's all facts. And 2, I have the knowledge to actually help them. Okay, when they ask, well, what happens that 0.1% of the time? You tell them, great question. Okay, this of course is very rare. One scenario could be the listing brokerage / seller isn't offering enough commission to cooperating agents like myself for bringing a buyer. Again, very rare. But the more common of the very rare would be a for sale by owner. If a for sale by owner out there is offering 0 to little commission to potential cooperating agents, this is something we will discuss. That is indicated on the buyer representation agreement right here on the BRA. That is what that 2% stands for. 99.9% of the time, the listing brokerage will be offering myself and my brokerage 2% or more for bringing a buyer to the property, for doing all of this work. Also, I want you to know, in that extremely rare 0.1% of the time, I will never be secretly charging you or anything like that. I know how much I'm being offered. It is standard information all realtors get. It is in the back end of the MLS, and if it was a for sale by owner, I would be calling them. So I will know all of this information, which means you know all of this information. Again, no secret profit, nothing like that will ever happen. At this point in the conversation, you stop talking. You wait. If it takes 1, 2, 3 seconds, they will start talking. They will take control of the conversation and they will say, okay, what's next? In this industry, knowing when to wait to talk, knowing when to essentially shut up is actually key. Let them take over the conversation because you've done the work. You've told them everything they need to hear. Next is, you will say to them, next is, I'll be sending you the buyer representation agreement via my signing software, as well as 3 properties we can go see as soon as possible. Exciting stuff. Look for those emails and we'll talk soon. Done. Basically, mic drop. Get the signatures, BRA, RICO information guide, start seeing properties. You're gonna have some exciting clients. Again, focus on value, address any concerns, reinforce trust, and of course, transparency. My ability to speak slower in some spots, faster in others, make light of some topics during that conversation, my ability to be sincere if need be, but also be certain on other topics I want them to focus, be empathetic, all of this stuff is referred to as tonality. It does come natural to some, but the good part is you can learn it. Rewatch that part of the video 10 times. Practice doing what I just did 10 times. You will be better than a serious amount of real estate agents already in the business doing the job that don't understand this way of communication, or the lack of this way of communication is costing them a ton of signatures. If you want that entire script that I just did, I will put it in the description below those 3 courses. I only ask you, open up one of those courses, have a look at what you're going to get, because it is insane value. Knowledge is power. You learning that script is one thing, you having the knowledge is completely different, and you're gonna notice those links in the description below of those courses are actually value links for YouTube subscribers. So subscribe as well. It means a ton. It gets you access to those value links. They will help. That first one, that lease course, is absolutely fantastic, and it gets money flowing in right away. Leases are great to get that 1, 2, 3,000 flowing in. Of course, the buy sell is an epic course. Now you're dealing with bigger transactions, but you have longer wait times for the money, but willing to wait for that is worth it. Then the on-agent program, the entire on-agent program that gets you both those courses and a ton more. Everything is down there. Have a look at them. Knowledge is power. You will never think about lying, betraying, or even a big thing it is like you will never have that imposter syndrome, because you will learn how to do the job, which will change your mindset, and the confidence will radiate from you. Knowledge is power. Get those courses if needed, and any questions, DM, email, comment on this video. I get back to everyone. Okay, let's do a short section here on, like I mentioned, listening. Extremely important. Hoping you have a good aha. If you haven't already, hoping to get an aha moment through to you, because the best in the business, right? The best in the business do not talk about themselves. They ask their clients questions. Again, they're so confident that they can do the job. They don't really need to promote, sell themselves much anymore, or at least they can come across in these conversations completely different. They know how to do the job. Now it's find out what that client needs by the power of listening to them. So when I meet with new agents, and I do meet with a ton of new agents, they have high concerns, but maybe about the wrong things. First is they probably think past the BRA. Everything we just talked about, they think past that. They're just like, now I have a client and they're concerned about, do I have to be like Ryan Serhant showing this property, if you know what I mean? Do I have to like know this stove, this wood finish? Do I have to know this deck, the layout, where the sun comes from? All of that stuff is fantastic to know for sure. But what's more important is just walking with your clients. You could literally walk beside your clients, right? You got the BRA signed, you're showing properties. You could be beside them at the showing, just watching them, listening to them, asking them questions. What do you think of this kitchen layout? Is this open concept kind of what you desire? You have a notepad or you're just your phone or tablet. You're literally walking around with this as you listen to them, as you ask them questions and writing down all their notes. More often than not, you'll find out, especially if they're new, you've just shown 1, 2, 3 properties, you're just refining their criteria. Even if you show 1 or 2 properties to a client, right? And you know, you've set these up, you have their criteria, you know these are 2 perfect properties. They're gonna need to see 10 more to know what they like, right? They need to see what they don't like to know what they like. So it's always gonna be refining through the process, which is you more listening than knowing every single little detail. Get it? Learn everything, of course, you will, but just have the right mindset of where to focus your energy. It's a huge mistake to think that you are selling to your clients, right? So you're picturing yourself, Ryan Serhant, walking, and when Ryan Serhant's doing that, he's the listing agent and he's selling to a video, right? When you are with your buyer clients, you are not a salesperson. I know you just went through the Ontario Real Estate Salesperson program, right? You are never a salesperson to your clients. It's a massive, massive mistake to treat them that way. You are a problem solver and a service provider, not a salesperson to any of your clients. I'll tell you when you are a salesperson is when, let's say in this situation, you are working with a buyer, you are a salesperson when it comes time to make that offer. We are now playing the game. We are a salesperson against the other salesperson, right? We are the buyer agent, they are the listing agent. We are playing the game against them. We are a salesperson when we are going to bat for our clients, never to our clients. Listen to what your clients have to say. They know more about what they want than you do. Ricky Carruth always said, relationships over transactions. I could not agree more. If you have this mentality, it will radiate through you. Knowledge is power. Listening is key. They will love you. They will refer you, they will sign that BRA. I really hope this video helped, guys. Be sure to like and comment if it helped you. It takes me a ton of time to put this together, and I know this is stuff I wish I would have had. And of course, all of those courses in the description below, have a look at them down there. They will save you thousands of hours and maybe more importantly, stress. All down there and all value links for the time being for the YouTube family. Get it now. They will not last at that value price. Any questions at all, like mentioned, DM, email, comment on this video. I get back to everyone. My name is Callum Moore, eXp Realty real estate broker here in Ontario. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.